Do you want to integrate your forms with WooCommerce? Then this is for you. Using the WooCommerce add-on, you can add a product to the cart or even multiple products after a user submits a form. The integration is pretty easy. All you need to do is go to your form, click on Settings, WooCommerce, and enable it. You have 3 ways to integrate with WooCommerce. The first one is the form will always add the same product to the cart. Using the form, your customer can still customize its price or even add custom attributes, but the WooCommerce product is always going to be the same. The next one is the users can select a product from a list. You can select which products the user can pick from. And lastly, the most interesting one, the users can add multiple products in one single form, each product with its own price and attributes. Lastly, in this section you can link the form fields with the checkout fields, so the plugin automatically fills them for your users. And that's it. Integrating WooCommerce with your forms is that simple. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know.